Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Stata. First, you will need to download the Stata installer from the official website or your institution's designated portal. Once downloaded, simply run the installer program and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions provided. During this process, you will be prompted to enter your unique license key. Make sure to input this correctly to activate your Stata software fully. This initial step ensures your program is ready for use. After installation, launch Stata to get acquainted with its layout, including the command window and results window. A crucial next step is setting your default working directory. This helps Stata locate your data and do files efficiently. You can do this through the menus or with a simple command. Finally, ensure your Stata is up to date by running the Update All command in the command window. This keeps your software current with the newest features and bug fixes. Now, let's fine-tune some essential preferences. For working with larger datasets, it is vital to adjust Stata's memory allocation. You can increase this through the Set Memory command, for example, to 2 GB. Personalize your Stata environment by changing font sizes and color schemes for improved readability. Additionally, explore and install helpful user-written commands from the Stata community using the SSC install command, expanding Stata's capabilities significantly. To confirm your setup is complete, try running a basic command, such as sysus auto, which loads a sample dataset. This ensures everything is functioning correctly. Next, take some time to explore Stata's comprehensive help files for commands you anticipate using often. They are an invaluable resource. Finally, consider engaging with the vibrant online Stata community through forums. This provides excellent ongoing support and allows you to discover new tips and tricks for your data analysis journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.